Wave check, wave check, wave check. Ooh wee, that boy swimming. Y'all see the magic of a Tdurrgt, boy? Yes sir, we swimming out here. Y'all see these waves? I know y'all see me swimming out here. Let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? Tim here, bring y'all back another freaking video, man. As you can see here, I got 1, 2, 3 packages that I've had for like 2 months. But in one of these packages, we have LED side markers to throw on the back side of this car and on the front side of Bludini. Sorry about to hop right into it, but as you can see, I didn't even know myself. I have my rear side markers already tinted from the previous owner. Like you can see, that thing's like almost peeling right there. I did not know these things were even tinted already. However though, we're gonna throw in some nice LEDs. I am still yet to see what they look like because I got them from Amazon, so I will leave the link down in the description. I always messed it up because I talk so damn fast. Without further ado, let's freaking open up these packages right here in this first Amazon package. I don't even know, to be honest, what's this stuff's gonna all fall out. In this package, yo, I think there's actually splitter rods that I ordered from Amazon, and I don't think I'm gonna throw them on the car, to be honest. What are these ones? The LED side markers. Okay. Basically, yeah, boom, LED side markers, and these things, they're supposed to light up white. I got all white for both sides of the car, so it's gonna be really unique, probably something that you really never seen, because people usually put a red light in the back. However, I picked up white lights for both because I'm trying to go with a really motherfucker, trying to go with a really freaking chrome clean setup, shining, glistening from freaking miles away. You can see. All right, as we open up the other package, wait a minute, hold up, this has to be in here. Yeah, reversal, adjustment, rear frame bumper splitter. These are the splitter rods that are actually in here. I don't think I'm going to use these simply because I don't know, I was freaking, you know, 2 months ago I was like, oh shit, that might look nice, but after asking a few people, they were like, nah, don't do the splitter rods. Maybe y'all might agree. I'm not gonna open these yet, but oh, I'm supposed to have like I'm missing a package, bro. Okay, maybe it might be up in this one, because like I said, I don't know what's in these packages because I had these things in my for 2 months, hoping this is the front side markers. Did I get one from Amazon and get one from another site? I don't even remember. But yeah, okay, these are the fronts. But they are smoked and they are to produce a white light. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's get on and install these things. Supposedly, you can remove this with the trim tool. All you're supposed to do is just get in right here, push out, and this thing pushes out. However, there's like 2 screws on the bottom. Underneath your fender, your back fender right here, and if you can't push it out like that, you got to remove 2 screws, stick your hand under there, push this one out. There's no screws with this LED side marker at all, it just pushes out. But I'm gonna try to see if I can I don't even got a trim removal tool, I got a flat head and then I got a towel, so I'm gonna just pry this right on in there and see if it'll come out. That ain't coming out. Okay, now as you can see, I got it out. It took a little bit of going back and forth, but as you can see, this pin right here is really what's gonna push out. This took me like, honestly, like 2 minutes right now. Okay, simply just take off this one and it should just twist. I think it twists out, honestly, I'm not sure. Yeah, it twists from the back. Twist out. This one came out first as I twisted it, the old one, and now the bulb itself has to come out too, which there's a push pin right here. I'm pretty sure I just push this shit and just pull it out, which, yeah, so the old one's out. Now before you freak out, because I just freaked out, I'm like, dude, how is this gonna fit in and up to here? It ain't gonna go in there. But you got to remove the bulb simply because this is the connector piece that it's going to fit into. So remove the bulb just like that, the old bulb, and now this is going to fit up into there. Let's plug this back in to the connector first. Okay, since this thing is polarized, it might have to be flipped one way. If it doesn't work one way, then you have to flip the connector another way, 180 degrees. Just gonna put it in there temporarily and we're gonna see if it works. cut on the car. Boom. Yes, sir. And they are white LED strip. Fire. Take this off. This thing's fresh, man. This thing is really fresh. It's gonna give this car a really unique look. To fit this back in, you really have to push down and turn, and then it'll be slight, tight and snug. Voila, we got our LED side marker for the rears in, and freaking clean. All right, as we make our way on over to the front side markers, guys, it's gonna be a little bit more to taking off the front side markers. However, it is not hard at all. Once again, you're gonna need your 1/4 inch ratchet. You're gonna need a 7mm socket and also a 10mm socket. The 7mm socket will be for you to take off, you know, your fender liner right here, so you can reach back there. Your 10mm socket will be to take off these locking nuts. I think y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Yeah. These locking nuts will be on the back. This is basically what it looks like inside. Take these locking nuts off. Oh snap! Evenly. Boom, just like that. Side markers off. Right back on in, you know. Just make the test out of Tdurrgt. Let's see, bro. Let's see, man. I think they're gonna be freaking dope, hopefully. See this at all? Oh, snap. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Look at them LED strips, bro. Damn. Gosh, it looks so damn clean. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if the other side works. Let's see the other side. The other side, yes sir, the other side is on, beaming, shining, white, matching the wheels, matching the headlights, matching the fog lights. Guys, just a little glimpse. What I picked up also was a Coyote badge. I got this from LMR, I'm pretty sure. Comes with a badge, some 3M tape, and then some screws right here. So I'm thinking that I can pretty much screw this thing into my GT500 bumper with these things right here. Woo. Finally, we got the bumper on, and man, look at these freaking side markers, man. For one, I haven't had side markers on in a month, so I'll space the side markers. For two, these freaking LED side markers look amazing matched up with Bludini right here, man. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I got it going right, man. We got the white on white on white on chrome, almost. Wheels, this is polished lip to a gunmetal finish. Eventually, I'm gonna get chrome wheels, and we're gonna have to clean this freaking Mustang. Alright y'all, there y'all go. To be honest with y'all, these LED lights, they are not as bright as the camera is showing. I mean, they are freaking bright, but it's blurry because it's just too many white lights and the camera is just cannot adjust to it. Or at least I can't find a setting to adjust to it in time so I can shoot the video. But it is not as blurry as it is. My fog lights, there's just too much light going on right here, and it's just making it like really blurry. However though, it's not blinding in person at all. Might be blinding on camera, but not in person. These freaking LED front side markers look really sharp on the car, man. I really do like the front look. However though, how are y'all digging the back look, man? It is pretty unique. You really never see white fog lights on the back. White LED, not fog lights, white LED side markers on the back. People usually go red. Usually the red will match up with the red tail lights. I would think I would dig red too, but I was thinking like, what if I should go white? And we're gonna try it out, man. So unfortunately, this freaking camera cannot adjust the unless it goes really dark, just like that kind of. It can adjust it, or unless I get up really close so it can focus on it real good, just like that, just like that. And there we go. We come back out. We come back out. We come back out. The camera's gonna be dark. It's gonna be darker than unless a little bit more light in. However, though, I mean, how are y'all liking the LED white side markers for the rear? Should I switch to red or should I keep it white? I don't know. I'm digging it out. I'm gonna ride it out for a minute. I would dig the red too, but hey, we just had to try the white out. It's really unique with this chrome setup that I'm going right here, white and chrome, and you know, Bludini is just looking so damn good, man. And if you are new to the freaking channel, make sure you subscribe because we got mods on mods, and I'm helping y'all out, showing y'all how to install all of this stuff. Make sure y'all leave a like on the video if y'all digging it. We got the Toyos proxies review coming in tomorrow. Well, the next video, which should be Thursday, if I get this video up Wednesday. Y'all liking the setup, man, make sure y'all leave a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Bangers on bangers coming, man. We gone.